Assalamualaikum students. Today's lesson is about connectives and conjunctions. The objectives of this lesson are, by the end of this lesson, students will be able to identify connectives in a piece of text, understand different types of connectives, and use a wide range of connectives to form complex sentences. Definition of connective. A connective is a word or phrase that links clauses or sentences. Connectives can be conjunctions also, but when, because, or connecting adverbs, for example, however, then, therefore. Some examples of connectives in sentences are: it was raining but it wasn't cold. We won't go out if the weather's bad. He didn't come to class due to his illness. He didn't do his homework, so he didn't pass the class. There are many types of connectives, but today we will deal with mainly logical connective and contrastive connectives. Logical connectives include and, or, not, if and only if, when, whenever, unless, because, as, since. Contrastive connectives include however, nevertheless, on the other hand, but, although, even though, whereas, while, either or, as opposed to, in contrast to, instead of, in spite of, despite, notwithstanding. Logical connectives are basically words which are used to form a complex sentence from two simple sentences by connecting them. They connect two ideas that have a particular relationship. These relationships can be sequential, reason and purpose, condition. Here are some examples of logical connectives. I need to work hard or I may fail. We won't go out if the weather's bad. If and only if he clears the pre-exam, he will get selected. Rabia will eat the fruit if and only if it's an apple. Contrastive or oppositional connectives are used to connect two ideas which are opposite to each other. In other words, the speaker, having mentioned one thing, wants to go on to talk about something else which contrasts with and is often in opposition to the first thing. Examples: he is a student of English, but not a very good one. My neighbor's dog is large, though friendly. He plans to take either psychology or anthropology next semester. Commas are often used to mark off connecting adverbs or adverbial phrases or clauses. For example, first of all, comma, I want to say. Identify all the connectives in this paragraph. Now students, it's time to wrap up our lesson. What's the function of connectives? Which two types of connectives are learned today? What is the function of logical connectives? What is the function of contrastive connectives?